it's Joey here. I have been using this in my setup for a while, and honestly, I didn't expect this much for a difference. A lot of people ask what their H4 actually does, so I'm going to focus on spaces today. I will just show you what you will actually hear. So what makes it different? It really comes down to two things. How will it drive your headphones and how much control you get over the sound. So let's start with power. It supports both 3.5 and 4.5mm outputs with up to 240 mW balanced output. It can drive most headphones comfortably. But it's not just about volume, it's about how the sound changes. Once you plug in, everything feels cleaner. More detail, better separation, and more control. It's not a huge change, but once you notice it, it's hard to go back. But what makes it so more interesting is it's not just better sound. It actually lets you shade the sound. You are not locked into just one sound. You have got high and low gain for different headphones, and there are 8 digital filters. So you can take the sound depending on what you are listening to, maybe more detail or a bit smoother. It's subtle, but it makes the sound more personal. There is also a performance mode that helps reduce background noise. A quieter background makes detail easier to hear, but it's not just about turning the sound. And here's something people don't expect. The H4 not just a DAC and amp, it can also work as a DDC. That means a digital to digital converter. It can take USB audio and converts into a coaxial digital signal, then sends it to an external DAC. It also bypasses the internal analog stage and outputs a pure digital signal. This helps reduce potential electrical noise from USB sources, so your DAC can perform more consistently in a cleaner signal path. This also means you can use your phone as a source for the desktop setup, so even a simple setup can feel like a notable upgrade. It also even acts as a digital source in your system. If you care about the spaces, it also supports up to PCM 384 kHz and DSD 128. Just know that you will need a 3.5mm to RCA coaxial cable. In daily use, it's very easy to use. Features like anti-pop and variable memory help a lot. It also supports USB 1.0 for devices like Switch or PS5. So overall, it's not just about more power, it's about better sound and more control. Whether you are just getting audio or really deep into it, you'll notice the difference. Would you add this to your setup? Bye!